fellas. How are you guys? There you are. Are you a pole dancer? Are you a stripper? Daddy, I'm performing. Oh, did I bore you? I'm sorry. Hey, Timbawimba. How are you? Whoa. There you are. You're not causing trouble. You look guilty. What are you doing? Hello? Happy couple 1989. Now have a fantastic Saturday. You look stuck. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.